Hello, today I shall show you how to reset OBS Studio to its default settings. Step 1. Open the OBS settings folder. Launch OBS Studio. Click File in the top left corner. Select Show Settings folder. Step 2. Delete all files in the settings folder. In the folder that opens, press Ctrl+A to select all files. Press Delete or right-click Select Delete. If you see Try Again, close OBS and delete again. Step 3. Restart OBS Studio. Open OBS Studio again. It should now be reset to default settings. That's it. You've now reset OBS to its default configuration without reinstalling it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you out. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.